जय हिंद गाइस, स्वागत है आपका हमारी फैमिली 24/7 सी जोन में। तो आज की हमारी बायोलॉजी क्लास में हम दो टॉपिक कवर करने वाले हैं। द फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ पोल्यूशन एंड द सेकंड टॉपिक इज़ बायोडाइवर्सिटी एंड इट्स कंजर्वेशन। सो क्लास स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक बार आपको मैं रिवाइंड कर दूं कि हमने आपके लिए एक एंट्रेंस बुक भी तैयार की है जिसमें आप स्मार्ट स्टडी कर सकते हो लेस टाइम में फोकस्ड अप्रोच के साथ। और इस एंट्रेंस बुक में आपको मिलने वाला है करंट अफेयर्स, मेंटल एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चंस और रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस, वो भी सिर्फ और सिर्फ 60 रुपीज़ में। और हाँ, साथ ही साथ आपको कंप्यूटर के 250 प्लस क्वेश्चंस की ई बुक फ्री में मिलने वाली है। सो अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं इस ई बुक को बाय करने के लिए तो इसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है, आप वहाँ से चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं आप हमारे फर्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ जो है इन्वायरमेंटल पोल्यूशन। एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ विच ऑफ दीज कॉजेज वाटर पोल्यूशन? ए पेस्टिसाइड्स, बी नॉइज़, C. automobile exhaust, or D. aeroplanes? So the right answer is option A, pesticides. Next question. The pollutants released by jet aeroplanes in atmosphere as fluorocarbons are called A. aerosols, B. photochemical reductants, C. photochemical oxidants, or D. none. So the right answer is option A, aerosols. Next question. If biological oxygen demand of river is high, it means that the river is A. not polluted, B. very polluted, C. get least amount of light, or D. temperature is low. So the right answer is option B, very polluted. Next question. Which part of the living cell is affected by sulfur dioxide? Option A, nucleus, option B, nuclear membrane, option C, cell membrane, or option D, none. So the right answer is option C, cell membrane. Next question. In which part of the plant necrosis and chlorosis are caused by high concentration of fluoride? A. in petiole and leaf lamina, B. in midrib of lamina, C. in shoot apex and leaf margin, or D. only shoot apex. So the right answer is option C, in shoot apex and leaf margin. So necrosis is caused in shoot apex and chlorosis is caused in leaf margin, which is caused by high concentration of fluoride. Next question. What is the main air pollutant? A. carbon dioxide, B. carbon monoxide, C. nitrogen, or D. sulfur. So the right answer is option B, carbon monoxide. Next question. Which is an indicator of air quality? A. lichens, B. rhizopus, C. moss, or D. none. So the right answer is option A, lichens, as lichens are formed by the components of algae plus the components of fungi. So lichens are formed by the components of algae and the components of fungi. So these are the indicator of air quality. Next question. Sewage water can be purified for recycling with the action of A. aquatic plants, B. penicillin, C. microorganisms, or D. none. So the right answer is option C, microorganisms. Next question. Gas released during Bhopal tragedy was A. ethyl isocyanate, B. methyl isocyanate, C. potassium isocyanate, or D. none. So the right answer is option B, methyl isocyanate. Next question. If water pollution continues at its present rate, it will eventually A. stop the water cycle, B. stop precipitation, C. make oxygen molecule unavailable to water plants, or D. none. So the right answer is option C, make oxygen molecule unavailable to water plants. If pollution continues at its present rate, it will eventually make oxygen molecule unavailable to water plants. Next question. Catalytic converter in automobiles is used to control A. noise pollution, B. air pollution, C. water pollution, or D. none. So the right answer is option B, air pollution. Next question. Lead is considered as A. water pollutant, B. air pollutant, C. soil pollutant, or D. radioactive pollutant. So the right answer is option B, air pollutant. Next question. Some effects of sulfur dioxide and its transformation products on plants include A. Chlorophyll destruction, B. Plasmolysis, C. Golgi body destruction और D. None. So यहाँ पे एक मिस्टेक हो गई है, ये ऑप्शन सी बोथ नहीं होगा. So the right answer is option A, chlorophyll destruction. Next question. Thermal pollution of water bodies is due to the discharge of A. Chemicals from industries, B. Heat from water plants, C. Agricultural runoff or D. None. So the right answer is option B, heat from power plants. Thermal pollution. Thermal pollution of water bodies is due to the discharge of heat from water plants. Next question. Acid rains are caused due to option A, nitrogen dioxide, option B, sulfur dioxide, option C, nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide, and option D, none. So the right answer is option C, nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Next question. Biologists celebrate 5th June as A. Darwin's birthday, B. World Hygiene Day, C. World Environment Day or D. None. So here the right answer is option C, World Environment Day. Biologists celebrate 5th June as World Environment Day. Next question. Checking re-radiating heat by atmospheric dust, water vapor, ozone, carbon dioxide, etc. is known as A. Greenhouse effect, B. Radioactive effect, C. Ozone layer effect or D. None. So the right answer is option A, greenhouse effect. Next question. Mottling of teeth is caused due to the presence of chemical in the drinking water. Option A, boron, option B, fluorine, option C, carbon or option D, nitrite. So mottling of teeth is caused by fluorine. Next question. One of the metal used as catalyst in automobiles in catalytic converter is option A, palladium, option B, copper, option C, radium or option D, iron. So the right answer is option A, palladium. Next question. Pollution caused by persistent pesticides is relatively more dangerous to which type of organism? A. Top carnivorous, B. Producers, C. Herbivorous or D. None. So the right answer is option A, top carnivores. Pollution caused by persistent pesticides is relatively more dangerous to which type of organism? Top carnivores. So next question. Which of the following is a secondary pollutant? A. Aerosol, B. Sulfur dioxide, C. PAN or D. Carbon monoxide. So the right answer is option C, PAN. So the full form of PAN is peroxy acetyl nitrate. So peroxyl acetyl nitrate is a secondary pollutant. Peroxy acetyl nitrate is the secondary pollutant. Next question. The ultimate environmental hazard to mankind is air pollution, B. Water pollution, C. Land pollution or D. Nuclear winter. So the right answer is option D, nuclear winter. Next question. MIC and Chernobyl tragedies occurred at. MIC means methyl isocyanate. So methyl isocyanate and Chernobyl tragedies occur at option A Bhopal 1986, Russia 1988, option B Bhopal 1984, Russia 1988, option C Bhopal 1984, Ukraine 1986, or option D Bhopal 1984, Ukraine 1990. So the right answer is option C Bhopal 1984 and Ukraine 1986. Next question. Which part of the human body is first to be affected by nuclear radiations? Option A brain, option B lungs, option C liver, or option D bone marrow. So the part of human body which is first to be affected by nuclear radiation is brain. Okay. Next question. The animals in the deep sea water are severely affected by A. Sewage, B. Nuclear disarmament, C. Oil spills, or D. Heavy metals. So the right answer is option B. Nuclear disarmament. The animals in the deep sea water are severely affected by nuclear disarmament. Next question. Sudden mass of death of fishes from oxygen depletion is more likely in case of A. Oligotrophic lake, B. Eutrophic lake, C. both, or D. none. So the right answer is option B. Eutrophic lake. Next question. If there was no carbon dioxide in the Earth atmosphere, the temperature of the Earth's surface would be option A same as present, option B less than the present, option C higher than the present, and option D none. So the right answer is option B less than the present. If there was no carbon dioxide in the Earth atmosphere, then the temperature of Earth's surface would be less than the present. Moving on to next question. ITRC monitors pollution related to A. industries, B. domestic waste, C. radioactivity, or D. none. So the right answer is option A. industries. Next question. 10th cranial nerve gets excited under the constant noise level of A. 10 decibels, B. 30 to 40 decibels, C. 50 to 60 decibels, or D. 100 to 120 decibels. So the right answer is option D. 100 to 120 decibels. 10th cranial nerve gets excited under the constant noise level of 100 to 120 decibels. Moving on to next question. Mental growth of child is affected by A. ozone poisoning, B. lead poisoning, C. cadmium, or D. arsenic. So the right answer is option B. lead poisoning. Next question. Global warming is a global warning. This was stated by option A. NEERI, B. IUCN, C. UNESCO, and D. none. So the right answer is option B. IUCN. Next question. Nature pollutes air or atmosphere through A. volcanic eruptions, B. industrial smokes, C. automobile exhaust, or D. all correct. So the right answer is option A. volcanic eruption. Nature pollutes air or atmosphere through volcanic eruptions. Next question. Most polluted air in the metropolitan city of India. A. Mumbai, B. Lucknow, C. Kolkata, or D. Agra. So the right answer is option A. Mumbai. Mumbai is the most popular air. Mumbai has the most populated air in the metropolitan city of India. Next question. Nephrosis, proteinuria, nephritis are mainly concerned with option A. cadmium, option B. mercury, option C. lead, or option D. chromium. So the right answer is option A. cadmium. Next question. Bad ozone occurs in A. ionosphere, B. troposphere, C. stratosphere, or D. exosphere. So the right answer is option B, troposphere. Bad ozone occurs in troposphere. Next question. Which of the following are primarily related to biological magnification? A. Aerosols, B. Pesticides, C. Both, or D. None. So the right answer is option B, pesticides. Next question. Cleaning environment with biological options such as A. bioremediation, B. biotechnology, C. both, or D. none. So the right answer is option A, bioremediation. Next question. Photochemical smog is caused by light mediated reaction. Option A, nitrogen dioxide and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Option B, sulfur dioxide and unburnt hydrocarbons. Option C, both, or option D, none. So the right answer is option A, nitrogen dioxide and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Next question. Which heavy metal is global threat to human health? Option A, mercury. Option B, cadmium. Option C, lead, or option D, chromium. So the right answer is option C, lead. Next question. A major reason of carbon dioxide enrichment is due to A. industrial waste, B. fossil fuels, C. increased human population. So the right answer is option C, increased human population. So moving on to our second topic, biodiversity and its conservation. So question number 1. In global biodiversity, maximum number of option A, higher plants, option B, fungi, option C, fish, or option D, insect. So the right answer is option D, insect. Next question. Maximum endemic occurs in species among Indian biodiversity. A. angiosperm, B. gymnosperm, C. algae, or D. none. So the right answer is option A, angiosperm. Next question. On global hotspots of biodiversity in India is option A, Indo-Gangetic plants, option B, Western Ghats, option C, Western Himalayas, or option D, none. So the right answer is option B, Western Ghats. On the global hottest hotspot of biodiversity in India is Western Ghats. Next question. Which of the following is not ex situ conservation? Option A, cryopreservation. Option B, seed bank. Option C, biosphere reserves, and option D, botanical garden. So the right answer is option C, biosphere reserve, as biosphere reserve is a in situ conservation. Biosphere reserves, national parks. Okay, so these are the examples of in situ conservations. So these are comes under in situ conservation. So the right answer here is the option C. Next question. Red Data Book provides data on A, red flower plant, B, red colored fishes, C, endangered plants and animals, or D, red eye birds. So the right answer is option C, endangered plants and animals. Next question. World Wildlife Week is option A, first week of September, option B, first week of October, option C, third week of October, or option D, done. So the right answer is option B, first week of October. World Wildlife Week is first week of October. So moving on to our next question. Which of the following is preserved in National Park? Option A, flora, option B, fauna, option C, both A and B, and option D, none. So the right answer here is option C, both A and B. That means in National Park, both flora and fauna are preserved. Next question. Biodiversity Act of India was passed by the Parliament in the year option A 1992, option B 1996, option C 2000 or option D 2002. So the right answer is option D 2002. Next question. Genetic diversity in agricultural crops is threatened by option A introduction of high yielding varieties, option B intensive use of fertilizers, option C extensive intercropping or option D none. So the right answer here is option A introduction of high yielding varieties. Next question. Convention of Biodiversity came into force on A 29 December 1993, B 6 June 1992, C 3 October 1882 or D 4 October 1993. So here the right answer is option A 29 December 1993. Convention of Biodiversity came into force on 29 December 1993. Next question. Hotspots are the regions of high, option A endemism, option B rarity, option C critically endangered or option D none. So the right answer is option A endemism. Hotspots are the regions of high endemism. Next question. Which of the following countries have the highest biodiversity? Option A Brazil, option B South Africa, option C Russia or option D India. So the right answer is option A Brazil. Brazil has the highest biodiversity. Next question. In which year Project Tiger was launched? Option A 1973, option B 1998, option C 1888 or option D 1873. So the right answer here is option A 1973. In 1973 Project Tiger was launched. Next question. Which branch of biodiversity provides 60% of all the world medicine? Option A animals, option B bacteria, option C virus or option D none. So the right answer is option B bacteria. Next question. First UN conference on environment was held in option A Johannesburg, option B Stockholm, option C Brazil or option D Montreal. So the right answer here is option B Stockholm. First UN conference on environment was held in Stockholm. Next question. Maximum number of endemic plant species occurs in option A Fiji, option B Canary, option D Madagascar or option D Hawaii. So the right answer is option number C Madagascar. Next question. A group of organisms of some same species living in a defined area. Option A population, option B niche, option C community or option D none. So the right answer is option A population. A group of organisms of same species living in a defined area defines population. The next question. The specific position of a species within the community. The specific position of a species within the community is termed as option A ecology, option B ecosystem, option C niche or option D none. So the right answer is option C niche. Next question. Which of the following term is used for plant community? Option A phytology, option B ecosystem, option C phytosociology or option D population ecology. So the right answer is option D population ecology. The term that is used for plant community is option D population ecology. Next question. Ecotone is option A polluted area, option B bottom of lake, option C a zone of transition between two communities or option D none. So the right answer is option C, a zone of transition between two communities. Ecotone is a zone of transition between two communities. Next question. The salt-tolerant trees growing in a shallow marine sediment or estuaries are known as option A, mangroves, option B, xerophytes, option C, both A and B, or option D, epiphytes. So the right answer is option A, mangroves. Next question. What is symbiosis? Option A, the species that occur abundantly in the ecotone. Option B, the species on the verge of extinction. Option C, association between members of two species. So the right answer is option C, association between member of two species. Symbiosis is defined as the association between member of two species. Next question. What is sex ratio? Option A, a number of female per 1000 male. B, number of females per 100 male. C, the study of population growth, or option D, none. So the right answer is option A, a number of female per 1000 male. Next question. What is the most populated union territory in India after Delhi? Option A, Chandigarh. Option B, Pondicherry. Option C, Daman and Diu. Option D, Andaman and Nicobar. So the right answer is option B, Pondicherry. Next question. A high density of tiger population in an area leads to option A, interspecific competition, option B, intraspecific competition, option C, predation on one another, or option D, mutualism. So the right answer is option B, intraspecific competition. A high density of tiger population in an area leads to intraspecific competition. Next question. Which of the following states of India has very high population density? Option A, West Bengal. Option B, Assam. Option C, Arunachal Pradesh, or option D, Bihar. So here the right answer is option A, West Bengal. Next question. Chipko movement was started by option A, Shri Hemwati Bahuguna, option B, Shri Sundarlal Bahuguna, option C, both A and B, or option D, none. So the right answer here is option B, Shri Sundarlal Bahuguna. Sundarlal Bahuguna has started Chipko movement. Next question. IUCN stands for option A, Indian Union for Conservation of Nature. B, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Option C, both A and B, or option D, none. So the right answer is option B, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Next question. A very large ecosystem on land having distinct type of vegetation and wildlife is called A, ecology, B, biome, C, biodiversity, or D, none. So the right answer here is the option B, biome. A very large ecosystem on land having distinct type of vegetation and wildlife is called biome. Next question. Most widespread vegetation in India. A, coniferous forest. B, tropical rainforest. C, tropical deciduous forest, or D, none. So the right answer here is option C, tropical deciduous forest. Most widespread vegetation in India has tropical deciduous forest. Next question. Which forest found in the heavy rainfall areas of Western Ghats, island groups, and upper parts of Assam? Option A, tropical evergreen forest. Option B, tropical deciduous forest. Option C, both A and B, and option D, none. So here the right answer is option A, tropical evergreen forest. Next question. Which types of vegetation grows in areas of temperature 24 degrees Celsius? Option A, tropical. Option B, evergreen. Option C, temperate, and option D, none. So the right answer here is option A, tropical. Next question. A group of population which is capable of interbreeding is known as option A flora, option B fauna, option C species, or option D none. So here the right answer is option C species. A group of population which is capable of interbreeding is known as species. Next question. Trees grow faster in which of the following seasons? Option A winter, option B summer, option C rainy season, or option D none. So here the right answer is option B summer. Trees grow faster in summer seasons. Next question. Which of the following is the shortest day in the southern hemisphere? Option A March 21, option B June 21, option C September 22, or option D December 23. So the right answer is option D December 23. And the longest day is celebrated on June 21. So June 21 is the longest day, and the shortest day is on December 23. Next question. Cinchona, rubber, mahogany, ebony are important trees of A. Mangrove forest, B. Tropical deciduous, C. Tropical rainforest, or D. None. So the right answer is option C. Tropical rainforest. Next question. How many biosphere reserves we have in India? Option A 14, option B 18, option C 19, or option D 20. So here the right answer is option B 18. We have 18 biosphere reserves in India. Next question. Increase in fauna and decrease in flora would be harmful due to increase in option A carbon monoxide, option B oxygen, option C nitrogen dioxide, or option D none. So the right answer here is option A carbon monoxide. Next question. The percentage of irrigated land in India is about option A 45%, option B 65%, option C 35%, or option D 49%. So the right answer here is option C 35%. Next question. What is the rank of India in the world in respect of plant diversity? Option A 10th, option B 12th, option C 17th, or option D 18th. So here the right answer is option A 10th. सो आज की क्लास में बस इतना ही। और हाँ, आपको नेशनल पार्क्स को भी रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा, जिसकी वीडियो ऑलरेडी रोहन सर ने बना रखी है। इस वीडियो का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, आप वहाँ से एक बार ज़रूर से चेकआउट कर लेना नेशनल पार्क्स के बारे में। ओके, सो आपको एक बार फिर से रिवाइंड करवा दूँ मैं कि हमने आपके लिए एक एंट्रेंस बुक भी तैयार की है, जिससे आप लेस टाइम में स्मार्ट स्टडी कर सकते हो। और इस एंट्रेंस बुक में आपको करंट अफेयर्स, मेंटल एप्टीट्यूड और रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस मिल जाएंगे, वो भी सिर्फ और सिर्फ ₹60 में। और इसके साथ आपको फ्री में कंप्यूटर की 250+ क्वेश्चंस की ई बुक मिल जाएगी। ओके, सो अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो आप इसे बाय कर सकते हैं, इसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है। सो आज की क्लास में बस इतना ही। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में एक न्यू टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए पढ़ते रहिए, रिवाइज करिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।